250 million views, 119 million views, and 90 million views. This channel is gaining millions of views by uploading troll face videos, and right now, these troll face videos are trending a lot. So today, I'm going to teach you how to edit these troll face videos using CapCut. I'll also show you how you can easily find clips like these. So let's start the video. To find clips, I'll tell you two methods. The first method is really simple. If you need a clip from any particular video, go to that video and take a screenshot. Then open Google, click on the camera icon, and select your screenshot. You'll be able to find related clips here. You can click on them, go to the video, and easily download it. However, sometimes you may not be able to find the original clips using this method. That's why I have a second method for you, which will help you find clips easily. For this, first open Instagram and start scrolling through Reels. You'll find plenty of videos like these. If you're not getting this type of content on your account, you can create a new account. Then start liking videos like these. This will make your feed start showing you similar content. As you can see, this video of the boy also went viral on YouTube. If you keep scrolling, you'll find plenty of good videos. Just keep liking the ones you like. As you can see, this video has appeared on my feed, and I can edit it like this. And I can edit this video as well. As you can see, I've edited all of these videos. You can also find viral clips like this. Most creators find videos in a similar way by using TikTok or Instagram. This is the easiest way to find viral clips. I'll also upload many clips on my Telegram channel where you'll be able to download them. Now let's move on to the editing process. First, create a new project and add your clip. I'll show you how to edit the boy's clip. After adding the clip, mute its original music. First, let's add the song. Click on the music button and add your song. Then cut out the unnecessary part and move the song slightly forward. Now listen to the music and identify where the beats are. When you find a beat, stop there. Then click on the beats option and add a marker so that we know exactly where the beat is. Now look at your clip. This is where, at this point, click on the clip, scroll through the options at the bottom, and find the freeze option. Click on it. This will freeze the frame at that point. Now delete the unnecessary part of the video. Then click on the clip and increase its size slightly. Set the beat exactly at the cut point. Next, we'll crop the clip. Click on the clip, scroll through the options, and select crop. Then click on resize and select 3 to 4. Zoom it out and click done. Do the same thing with the second clip. After cropping it, cut out the unnecessary part of the music as well. Our music setup is now complete. Now it's time to add text. Click on the text option and select Add Text. In the text box, write Movement Before Disaster. After writing it, go to the font option and choose a bold font. Place the text in the upper corner. Then click on Style and add a glow effect. Adjust the glow settings. Go to Shadow and add a black shadow. Set the opacity to 100%, blur to 0, and increase the distance slightly. This will give you a text style like this. Now we'll change the color of one word. Select the word, go to the color option, and change its color. For example, I'll make it red, then go to the background option and add a background. Change its color as well. Keep the background color slightly dark and choose a color that matches your text. Select whatever color looks good. For example, I'll choose green. We'll also reduce the glow slightly. Now our text is ready. Adjust it properly and place it where you want. Set the text across the entire clip. We'll also add an animation at the beginning of the text. Now click on the second clip and add the rock vertical animation. Increase its size and set the duration to 1 second. Next, go to Overlay and click on Add Overlay. Add a troll face PNG. You can find this PNG on my Telegram channel. Scroll forward a little and click on Remove Background. Then select Auto Removal to remove the background. Make it smaller and place it over the boy's face. Increase its length so that it covers the required part. Now we need to add text for the second clip. Click on text and type the text I'm adding here. go to Style and remove the background. Then change the text color. I'll make it red. We'll also add an emoji to the text, which will make it look better. Adjust it according to the clip and place it over the boy. Increase its size according to the clip. Then add a shake effect to the troll face PNG overlay and set its duration to 1 second. Go back to the text option and add an animation to this text as well. Now go to the beginning of the video and add this PNG too. You can find this PNG on my Telegram channel as well. Remove its background, make it smaller, rotate it, and place it above the text. Since it's appearing behind the text, go to the layer option and move it above the text. Then add a keyframe at the beginning. Go to the end and slide it to the other side while rotating it. Now the text will look something like this. We're halfway done. Now we only need to add effects. For this, click on Effects and then Video Effects. Find the fancy sharpen effect and add it. Extend its duration to cover the entire video. Then go to Adjust. Set the glow to 0, range to 0, color to 0, and filter to 0. Set atmosphere to 50%. Adjust the sharpen according to your clip. If it looks too strong, reduce it. Then click Done and select Object. Apply it to the entire video. The video is moving too much from left to right, so go back to Adjust and reduce the atmosphere to 20%. Now you can see that the sharpen effect has been applied properly. However, it hasn't been applied over this text. So go to the layer option and move the text behind the sharpen effect. Now the sharpen effect will also appear over the text. Next, go back to Effects and add the flicker effect. Increase its size so that it covers the entire video. Then go to Adjust and slightly reduce its speed and intensity. Our effect is now added. Go to Effects one more time and add the shake effect. Go to Adjust and set its speed and intensity to around 4 to 5%. Then click on Object and apply it to the entire video. Now our video is ready. As you can see, this is the final result.